Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the MsPEPE token. Now the MsPEPE token just finished their pre-sale on pinksale.finance. They did very well. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it now that the pre-sale's over in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt and always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, MsPEPE. They claim MsPEPE is headed straight for the moon, but we will find out. So their pre-sale did very well. They had 477 different investors contribute to this pre-sale. They set their soft cap low at 10 BNB, but they ended up selling over 200 BNB. 201.79 BNB worth of tokens for a very successful pre-sale. They do have a full audit, so they were audited by CoinSalt Solidity. You can view the PDF of that audit on PinkSale. They also have a webpage, MsPEPE.vip. They have a Twitter at MsPEPE token. They also have a Telegram at MsPEPE chat, and they also have a GitHub here listed on PinkSale. So MsPEPE is a token inspired by the Pepe token, obviously, that did 7,500 times in 4 days. That's pretty crazy that Pepe token exploded. By the way, did you guys see the POO token? I posted that today. That was in the top gainer section today. That was the #1 gainer today based off of Winnie the Pooh. That token did amazing. So check out that video I posted earlier. But anyways, Pepe's early holders turned $250 into $1 million in 4 days. I heard that person, it was only one person, and that person didn't even sell their tokens for some reason, but I'm not sure if they've sold them yet, but that's pretty crazy that they wouldn't sell. But anyways, why reinvent the wheel? We're taking a similar approach to Pepe and putting MsPEPE straight to the moon. No reflections or high taxes, only a very low 2% fixed tax for daily marketing. Renounced ownership of token at launch. MsPEPE cannot be controlled by anyone. LP locked for 69 years. Mass marketing, trending everywhere, and they're going to have Ask Me Anythings everywhere as well, AMAs. So, MsPEPE is the name of the token. MsPEPE, all one word, is the ticker symbol, the token symbol. 18 decimal places on this token. There is a total supply here of, always with this number here, 420 quadrillion, 690 billion tokens. And yeah, if you do want to get this token now that the pre-sale is over, pretty soon it will be listed on PancakeSwap, since this is a Binance Smart Chain token. So I would follow their Twitter at MsPEPE token, and they will announce, just 1 hour ago, it says MsPEPE is now live on PancakeSwap. So you can get this token now off of PancakeSwap. I made this video just in time. That's why you got to subscribe to this channel. It's because I make videos just in time, always. Now, yeah, so this token is now available on PancakeSwap. You can get it by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain, going into the dApps, finding PancakeSwap, and then trading your BSC for the MsPEPE token using the contract address that you can find on their official webpage, which is MsPEPE.vip. You can also find it on PinkSale under token address. Just make sure you have the right address, of course, contract And you'll probably have to set slippage somewhere around 2% because of that 2% tax. And liquidity is locked on PancakeSwap for 69 years. Token allocation is pretty simple. 29.33% of the tokens go to liquidity. 10.12% of the tokens go to central exchange listings, and the rest, 60.54% of the tokens, go to pre-sale. Now, they do have a free and quick light audit by Analytics Audit in the discussion section on Pink Sale. And it says, no mint function found. Owner cannot mint tokens after initial deployment. Owner cannot change the fees over 12%. Owner cannot set max transaction. Owner cannot change trading status. And owner cannot set a blacklist. So all sorts of good stuff there. Now, if you head over to their official webpage, MsPEPE.vip, you can find their audit, a buy now button that'll take you right to PancakeSwap, BSC scan, DEX tools, chart, coin, market cap listing will be soon on here, Pink Sale listing, Twitter, Telegram, all the links are on here, tokenomics, roadmap, info, yada, yada, yada. MsPEPE is a token inspired by Pepe. So, are you tired of watching everyone else play hot potato with the endless derivative, Doge, Shiba, Floki, CEO, Elon, all that type of stuff, CEO every day with every coin? The Doge and E-News have had their day. It's time for the most recognizable memes to take over and reign as king and queen of the memes. That's why MsPEPE is here to make meme coins on the Binance Smart Chain great again. MsPEPE is a fully decentralized meme currency built on the BSC, one of the largest and safest blockchain protocols. Our teams developed a community-driven project empowered by MsPEPE's loving community. So, 90.1% of the tokens were at fair launch in the liquidity pool. The remaining 9.9% is going to be used for marketing and centralized exchanges, bridges, liquidity pools. We've already renounced ownership. It cannot be controlled by anyone, 100% fully decentralized. Their partners are CoinSalt, Pink Sale, and DexView. Now, they do have a roadmap on here. We'll go over this quickly before we wrap this up. Phase 1 is fair launch on Pink Sale, then PancakeSwap, trending everywhere, Ask Me Anythings, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, initial central exchange listing, 10,000 holders. Phase 2, white paper, website V2, mass marketing, Tier 2 central exchange listing, NFT collection, 50,000 holders. Phase 3, charities, influencer awareness, Tier 1 central exchange listing, mass marketing, 500,000 holders, and the Mars map. They have contact information at the bottom of their page. Check it all out, MsPEPE.vip. You can find all the info on there. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about MsPEPE? Do you guys think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.